Hello! Today I'm going to show you what the basic brush option is and how it works. Let's select the paintbrush tool and create a brush stroke. Notice that Illustrator automatically selects the 5-point round brush as a default brush. We can select different brushes from the tab toolbar or from the brushes window. If your brushes window is not showing, go to Window and select Brushes. Let's select a different brush and create a brush path. When we click on Basic from the Brushes window and then draw another brush path, nothing changes. Notice that the last brush we used is still selected. In older versions of Illustrator, Basic in the Brushes panel functions like a regular brush. Now, however, it only removes the brush styling from the selected path. We can use the Basic brush option only after selecting a brushed path. Let's select this path and then click on Basic from the Brushes window. Notice Illustrator automatically removes the stroke from the existing brushed path. We can do the same by first selecting another brushed path and then choosing Remove Brush Stroke from the pull-down menu. If we would like our brush to look like this basic stroke, we can use the pencil tool instead. Another way to get this basic brush look is to create a custom brush. It is super easy to do this. First, swap the fill and the stroke. Choose the rectangle tool, single-click on the artboard and type 1 pixel for the width and 1 pixel for the height. Click OK. Now drag this tiny rectangle into the Brushes window, choose the Art brush and click OK. We could give it a name, change the stroke's direction, and change the colorization method to tints. This will allow us to use different colors for our stroke. We can delete this square. And here is our new brush. Next, make sure the new brush is selected and the paintbrush tool is active. And we are ready to draw. If you would like to learn how to save a custom brush for future use, please check out my previous tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.